Hello students, how are you? Are you fine? Good, very good. Dear students, today we are to solve a sum, and that is question number 5 of exercise 6.2, and it is geometry related to 9th class. And the statement of this sum is, in figure, if AB is parallel to CD, AB is parallel to CD, angle APQ, this angle is equal to 50 degree, and angle PRD, that is 127 degree. Find X and Y. Here angle X and Y are marked, X at Q and Y at P, X and Y angles, and we are to find the value of X and Y angles. First of all, you should know how we will prove it. You know that AB and CD are two parallel lines, and QP is its transversal. So angle APQ, that is 50 degree, must be equal to angle X. These are alternate angles. Similarly, then we are to find angle Y. How we will be able to find it? This angle 127 degree, angle PRD, this is the exterior angle when we produce this CQR up to D or QR up to D, and PQR is a triangle. One side QR is produced up to D, and it is exterior angle, and you know that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. That means X plus Y is equal to 127 degree, and already we have found that X is equal to 50 degree due to alternate angles are equal. So this angle Y will be equal to 127 degree minus 50 degree, that is 77 degree. And now how we will write it in a solution? I will write AB is parallel to CD. It is given, and QP is transversal, meeting A, B and C, D at P and Q respectively. Hence, this angle is equal to angle this, alternate angles. Hence, angle X is equal to angle APQ. Why it is? These are alternate angles. But angle APQ is equal to 50 degree. It is given. Hence, angle X is equal to 50 degree. One thing we have come to know, that angle X is of 50 degree. Next, we will write now in triangle PQR, the side QR is produced up to D, hence this angle PRD is equal to angle X plus angle Y. This angle, it is exterior angle, it is equal to angle x plus angle y. Why it is? Because PRD is exterior angle which is equal to the opposite interior angles x and y. Do you understand? In this triangle PQR, this angle PRD is the exterior angle, whereas x and y are the opposite interior angles, and x plus y must be equal to this angle, and value of this angle is 127 degree. Angle PRD is 127 degree. It is given. Hence, angle x plus y is equal to 127 degree or 50 degree. Value of x we have already determined that x is 50 degree. X value of x is 50 degree. We have already determined it. Or 50 degree plus y is equal to 127 degree, or y is equal to 127 minus 50 degree, that is 77 degree. Hence, value of x is 50 degree and y is equal to 70 degree. Do you understand? Do you understand? Once again, I am just stating it. Because angle this and this, these are alternate angles and these are equal, because AB and CD are two parallel lines which are traversed by QP. So this angle x is 50 degree, and now this angle 127 PRD is equal to the sum of interior angles, opposite angle, that is x plus y. Means to say x plus y is equal to 127 degree and the value of x is 50 degree. Now we are to find y, and y, the value of y is equal to 127 minus 50 degree, that is 77 degree. So ultimately x is equal to 50 degree and y is equal to 70 degree. Do you understand? Do you understand? And dear students, in the end, there is a request from my part that if you find that this very video is beneficial to you, you should like this video, also share it with your near and dear ones. And one thing you must ensure that please subscribe my channel so that the upcoming videos may be notified by you. Thank you very much, all of you.